Since his headline-grabbing courtroom battle with Amber Heard back in 2022, Johnny Depp has largely avoided the spotlight. On the rare occasions when he does make a public appearance, however, it inevitably draws attention. This week, the Pirates of the Caribbean star was seen in Paris at the Stella McCartney SU-26 show, where he stepped out in an effortlessly stylish, mostly black outfit. His suit, made of a fabric with a subtle sheen, featured white stitching that gave it a striking glimmer under the lights at Paul McCartney's daughter's fashion showcase. Beneath the blazer, he appeared to be wearing an off-white button-up shirt, though the jacket concealed most of it in the photos taken that evening. Completing the look was a black scarf patterned with white stripes, draped loosely around his neck. His trademark fedora partly covered his silver hair, which had been pulled back in a relaxed, low ponytail or bun. Depp's beard and mustache were neatly maintained, but left just rugged enough to preserve the scruffy edge that has become part of his persona. To enhance his air of mystery, the 62-year-old actor opted for black-framed glasses with striking blue lenses. Stella McCartney posed with Depp during the event, wearing an oversized black suit that matched his effortlessly chic style. The pair drew plenty of online admiration once photos surfaced across social media, both of them together, and of Depp on his own. Social media users praised their appearance, with many remarking that the two looked wonderful side by side, that it was refreshing to see Depp out in public again, and that the photos of him with Stella were particularly striking. Depp's presence at the show was no surprise, given his long-standing friendship with Stella. The two had previously been photographed embracing back in 2013 during the filming of the music video for Queenie Eye, a track by her father, Beatles legend Paul McCartney.